In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online banking with Mercury. Let's dive straight in and make this process as smooth as possible for you. First things first, you'll want to visit the Mercury website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in mercury.com. Once you're there, you'll see the option to either sign up or log in, depending on whether you've registered an account before. Clicking sign up will lead you into the account creation process, where Mercury will require some essential information about your business. You'll need to provide details such as your legal business name, the type of business entity you operate, be it an LLC, corporation, or something else, your employer identification number, and your business address. Make sure all this information is accurate and up to date, as it forms the backbone of your financial identity with Mercury. Now, once you've filled out all of your business information, it's time to enter some personal information for the account owners. Mercury will ask for the name, email, phone number, and date of birth for each account holder. Precision here is crucial as it can impact the verification process down the line. Speaking of verification, the next step is to verify your identity. Mercury takes security seriously, so they will require you to upload a government-issued ID. This can be a passport or a driver's license. In some cases, Mercury might request additional documents to verify not just your identity but also your business's legitimacy. Keep an eye on your email for any requests and ensure these are handled promptly to avoid delays. Once your identity is successfully verified, you'll need to set up your online banking credentials. This involves creating a secure username and password. Do take your password strength seriously. Consider incorporating a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. Beyond that, it's crucial to set up two-factor authentication. Mercury offers the option to do this via SMS or an authenticator app. This step adds an extra layer of security to protect your online transactions and personal information. In summary, setting up online banking with Mercury is a straightforward yet thorough process. By providing accurate business and personal details, ensuring identity verification, and taking security measures seriously, you can enjoy a seamless and secure banking experience tailored to the digital age. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful as you embark on setting up your online banking with Mercury. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out or explore Mercury's support resources online.